Hey everyone, in today's video, we're breaking down the pros and cons of using CJ Dropshipping, one of the most talked about platforms for e-commerce and dropshipping in 2025. Let's help you decide if it's right fit for your business. First, let's go with the pros of CJ Dropshipping. Product sourcing assistance. CJ gives you a dedicated sourcing agent who can find items not listed onto their platform. This is perfect if you want to import trending or unique products. When it comes to the faster shipping options, compared to AliExpress, CG offers fast delivery through its US, Europe, and China warehouses, often with tracking updates via CJ Packet. Third is the store integration. CJ integrates seamlessly with Shopify, WooCommerce, Etsy, eBay, and more, making order fulfillment mostly automated. Fourth is branding and custom packaging. You can request custom packaging, thank you cards, and even private labeling, a big plus for brand building. Fifth is dedicated agent support. Its users get access a real support agent for real help with sourcing, order issues, or product recommendations. Six is flexible payments options. CG accepts PayPal, credit, and debit cards, and even offers a wallet feature to preload funds for faster checkout. When it comes onto its cons, first is prices may be higher. CJ's product prices can be slightly higher than AliExpress or other suppliers. Two is slow initial sourcing. Custom sourcing requests might take 2 to 3 days to be listed, which can be a drawback if you want to more fast and trend. Third is inconsistent inventory. Popular products may go out of stock quickly, especially into the US and Europe warehouses, which could affect your fulfillment speed. Four is limited local warehouses. While CJ has some overseas warehouses, not every product is stocked there, which means some orders still ship from China. Fifth is agent quality varies. Some users report mixed experience with agents. Some are responsive and helpful, while others can be hard to reach during busy times. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.